Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a thanks message video to everyone who has been part of my channel, making this impossible mission possible. This is such a huge positive reinforcement for me to keep this channel alive. Last year I did make a similar video talking about how thankful I was to this community. I can't believe that the love, support from everyone has pushed me this far. I'm so grateful for this, As you know, my channel has just reached 10,000 subscribers with 4.5 million views in total. You might not see the same views as me since some videos are in private. So just to let you know, that is impressive. I can't thank everyone enough for making this a dream come true for me. Honestly speaking, I sometimes want to give it up because I'm really exhausted. I am a full-time employee and a dad whose responsibility is to take care of the family and especially spend more time with my daughter. Imagine when I finish my work from my workplace, how tired I am. But as a dad, I have to spend time playing around with my daughter just to keep her accompanied. However, there are two major reasons that keep me carrying on doing what I have been doing. The first one is the encouragement and the support from my wife and the family. They always stand by my side and tell me to keep doing what I enjoy doing. Like those who are into football, they of course watch football match and play football. Similarly, I like filming the videos and editing them as part of my hobbies. So it's really hard, to give up doing this kind of task. That's why I'm so thankful to everyone in my family, especially my wife, who always believe in what I do and supports me, no matter what. And most importantly, shares lots of ideas to keep this channel alive. So without everyone's encouragement and support, of course, I would have given up this channel due to the fact that I'm fully occupied at work and at home as a dad. The other motive behind this is to get up every morning and check the notifications from YouTube and see all of these I couldn't be happier to see such positive comments from people all over the world. I say people from all over the world is because let me show you where they are from. Okay, as you can see now I'm here and top geography, so let's go and see where they're from. So as you can see, the top one is India, followed by Philippines, United States, Indonesia, Malaysia. So these are the top 5 countries. So people are from those countries watch my videos. After Malaysia, you can see the United Kingdom, Canada, Cambodia, Vietnam, Nepal, Australia, Singapore. Yes, so all of this, as you can see, this is amazing. So once again, thanks you guys so much for making this happen. And I hope everyone still continues supporting this channel and making this community even better and more useful for everyone. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.